Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 equals 20, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here the very first step we are going to do is here. Now first we break the exponent of both of these terms, and when we break its exponents it is written as in this form: 9 to the power of x into 9 to the power of plus 1 minus, when we break the exponent of this term it is written as 9 to the power of x into 9 to the power of minus 1, and it is equals to 20. And now after that here we need some simplifications. Here you see that we have 9 to the power of x be the common term, so that we take common 9 to the power of x, and when we take common 9 to the power of x, here we get 9 minus, here you take common 9 to the power of x and we get 9 inverse equals to 20. And now after that here we remove this inverse and we write this term in this form: 9 to the power of x into 9 minus 1 over 9 equals to 20. So here we take the LCM of this term, and when we take the LCM of this term it is written as 9 to the power of x into, when we take the LCM of this term, so we get it 9, and it will be equals to 9 9s are 81 minus 1 equals to 20. So further in the next step here we need some simplification, and we write it as 9 to the power of x into 81 minus 1 equals to 80 over 9, and this whole equals to 20. So further in the next step here we need to move this 80 over 9 to the right hand side. In order to remove this from left hand side, here we need to multiply both of the sides by 9 over 80. Okay, here we do just this step for removing this 80 over 9. Here we multiply both of the sides by 9 over 80. So we write this term in this form: 9 over 80. And now further you see here this 9 is cancelled out by this 9, 80 is cancelled out by this 80, and we get 9 to the power of x equals to, this 0 is cancelled out by 0 and 2 4s are 8. So we have, this is 9 divided by 4. So now we write both of the sides in this form. We write this 9 as a 3 square and its whole power x. We write this 9 over 4 as 3 over 2 whole square. We know that 3 over 2 square is equals to 9. And now after that here we use the exponential line in the left hand side, and we multiply these two exponents, and you get it 3 to the power of 2x equals to 3 over 2 and its whole square. So now in order to find the value of x, here we need to take the log on both of the sides, so that when we take a log it is written as a log of 3 into log of 3 to the power of 2x equals to log of 3 over 2 whole square. So further we use the nice property of log, and here we move this 2x in the front of this log, and it will be written as in this form: 2x into log of 3 is equals to, this will be written as 2 times of log of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so now you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get the remaining terms are x times of log 3 equals to, here we use the nice property of log, and we write this expression as in this form: log of 3 minus log of 2. So now we remove this log 3 from left hand side, so that here we need to divide both of the sides by log 3. So it is written as x is equals to log of 3 minus log of 2 divided by log of 3. So now here we separate this fraction, and it is written as x is equals to log of 3 divided by log of 3 minus log of 2 divided by log of 3. So here we know that this log 3 is cancelled out by this log 3, and we have x is equals to 1 minus we rewrite this expression as log of base 3 and its exponent is 2. So this is the our final value of x, or this is the our final answer in this question. And now we verify this value of x. Is this value of x is satisfied our given question statement or not? So that in order to verify this, we need first to copy down the given question statement. So the given question statement is 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 20. And here we substitute the this value of x in the left hand side, and we check that is the left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. So that here first we substitute the value of x here, and it is written as 1 minus log base 3 and 2 minus and plus 1 and minus this is 9 to the power of x minus 1. So here we again substitute the value of x, and it is 1 minus log 3 and its exponent 2, and this is minus 1, and this whole is equals to 20, and we check that is this equals to 20 or not. So here we add these two values, and we write it as 9 to the power of 2 minus log base 3 and 2 minus, here you see that these are cancelled by each other, and we get 9 to the exponent of log base 3 and 2, and this is equals to 20. We check is this equals to 20 or not. So here we we just break the exponent here, and we write it as 9 square into 9 to the power of minus log base 3 2 minus 9 to the power of minus log base 3 into 2, and we check is this equals to 20 or not. So here you see that we have 9 to the power of this are the common term, so that here we just take common 9 to the power of minus log 3 into 2, and here we get the 9 square, and here we get minus 1, and we check is this equals to 20. Okay, so here we write this 9 as in this form 3 square, and its whole exponent is minus log base 3 and 2. So here you see that 9 square, and we know that 9 square equals to 81 minus 1, and we check is this equals to 20. Okay, so here we have we multiply these two exponents, and it is written as 3 to the power of we interchange these two exponents, and we write it as 3 to the power of log 3, and we move this minus 2 upside. This is 2 and minus multiplied by minus 2, and this is equals to, here you have 81 minus 1 equals to 80, and we divide in the right hand side, it will becomes 20 over 80. So here we use the nice property of this log, and we write this expression as 2 to the power of minus 2, and here you have 2 4s are 80, so we get 1 over 4. So this expression is also get 1 over 4 is equals to 1 over 4. So this shows that left hand side equals to right hand side. So finally we say that x is satisfied the given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.